Aw, Teenette, I didn't know if you had that conversation with Hydabat and Kitty Lumbus earlier.
Don't worry, Toony. It is my pleasure. After all, I watched Hydabat having a conversation with Kitty Lumbus on TV earlier.
Yep, I just couldn't say that they're both lost.
Would you actually say that?
I don't know. Hey there, y'all. How is it going?
Hey, Mewsa. We're doing pretty fine.
Yeah, we're doing pretty fine. Sounds good to me. Boop. Hey, guys, what's up?
Rewindy, you're here.
Yes, of course. Well, I've got to say, I'm glad I'm liking it.
Me too. Hey, Rewindy, I could let you have a conversation with Hildebat and Kitty Lumbus, but you'll have to do exactly as I...
Take cover! Oh.
Gesundheit